Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and select Open. Now you need to choose those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings over here. Then click on I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen, so I have to click on it, tap on Home button, and as you can see now, wallpaper of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!